This video is sponsored by Cohen Financial. More on them later. There are three things I hate about Kylie Jenner and Travis Scott's brand new listing that came on the market in Beverly Hills Post Office for $21.9 million. But before I tell you that, I'm going to tell you three things I absolutely love about this property. How do I know all this stuff? I'm Arvind Heda. I'm a real estate agent in Beverly Hills by day. I'm an analyst and also a consultant by night. If you or someone you know that can't sell their house, you can hire me and I will help you sell your house with the help of your current real estate agent or help you hire the right real estate agent for you anywhere in the world. All right, three things I absolutely love about this property. Number one is the fact that it's south facing. Look, it takes this crazy driveway to reposition you, but when you arrive, you open up, you're gonna be south facing, you're gonna get natural light coming in. This is a big important factor that people a lot of times don't pay attention to. It's great, you're gonna get a lot of natural light the most amount of time in the day. It's a positive. The second thing I absolutely love about this property is the finishes and the staging, if you can get that with the property. It's absolutely beautiful. Look, I like the quality, I like the cohesiveness, I love how they play off each other. They bought this house already done and they spent a lot of money fixing it up. I personally adore it. I think they've done a fantastic job. I don't care if you like it or not. I can tell you, people in this price bracket, this is what they're looking for and they've absolutely nailed it. Okay, the number one thing I absolutely love about this house is the fact that it's so private. I haven't seen houses this private in a long time. Look, it's completely surrounded by mountains and very well hedged. No one looks into the property. And for celebrities, this is a big factor, right? And it really nails it on that. Now, before I get all negative and tell you what I don't like about this house, a word from a sponsor who I really like to work with, Mark Cohen. I use Mark Cohen for my own loans and I always recommend them for all my clients to get their loans from him. Why? Because he's creative and he knows how to get loans in difficult times. He understands the challenges of today with high rates. Not just he offers great rates, but also he gets tough jobs done, and that's why I love working with him. Here's his phone number. Give him a call and tell him Arvind sent you. Now, what do I hate about this property? Number three. This pool is not gonna get that much sun. These mountains, the building itself, all the hedging around it is gonna cover the sun. You're gonna get a lot of shade on this pool for many hours during the day, and that is a big negative. But you know what's hilarious is that if you actually fall off these stairs, you're gonna go right into the pool. And that actually showcases my number one thing I hate about this property, so keep watching to the end. Now, the second thing I absolutely don't like about the property was also a positive. Look, it kind of looks like a medical building with great stucco that is kind of tucked in like a rat hole in the mountain. The mountains give all that privacy to it, but it's just not open. It doesn't feel grand, right? It has this tucked in way of it. It's kind of suffocating. I just don't like it, right? By the way, before I tell you the number one thing I hate about this property, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, the algorithm is just not going to show my videos to you. You can click right here and join the channel right now. Now, the number one thing I absolutely hate about this property is the fact that it says 1.1 acres, but you have the tiniest backyard. It's such a small backyard for 1.1 acre because all of this square footage is going to waste for this driveway to reposition you. And you know, you're paying for all this money and you're not getting the backyard you deserve. You're getting stairs that go right to the pool, and it's a big negative for this price point and this location.